students. A very good morning to all. Welcome back to English online class. How are you doing? Good? Okay, I hope you are good, isn't ma? Okay, so today we are going to learn from grammar, okay? So, those who have the book, please take a grammar book, ma. Take a grammar book. Have it true? Okay students, so you keep it with you, okay ma? Now you don't want to open the book. When I'm asking you to open, you can open it, okay? So you keep it with you. First, you just listen me, okay ma? When I'm asking you to open the book, you can open the book, okay? So students, so in the grammar book, how many lessons we have completed ma? How many lessons we have completed in the grammar book? Yeah, we have completed 2 lessons, isn't it? So, first lesson is the noun, is it ma? Okay, so what is mean by noun? What is mean by noun? Yeah, noun is a naming word, okay? Noun is a naming word. So, can you give some of the examples of noun? Mother, teacher, apple, next, tiger, lion, table, chair. These are some of the examples of noun. Okay, ma? Next, okay. So, I hope you are clear what is meant by noun, is it? Okay. So, what's the second lesson? What is the second lesson from grammar? Yeah, countable and uncountable noun, is it? Countable and uncountable noun. So, what is meant by countable noun? What is meant by countable noun? Yeah, countable noun means a noun which we can count, is it? A noun which we can count. So, for example, apple. So, can we count apple? Yeah, we can count apple as in 1, 2, 3, 4, like that we can count the apple. So, apple is a countable noun, okay ma? Next, chair. So, can we count the chair? Yeah, we can count the chair, is it? So, chair is also a countable noun. Okay, ma? So, what is mean by uncountable noun? Uncountable noun? Yeah, a noun which cannot count, we call it as an uncountable noun, is it? So, some of the examples of uncountable noun. Can you see some of the examples of uncountable noun? Tea, coffee, sugar, rice. Next, sand, is it? Okay, so these and all some of the examples of uncountable noun, is it ma? So I hope you are clear in the last 2 lessons, is it? Okay, so today shall we go to the lesson 3 from grammar? Okay, so lesson 3, okay ma? Lesson 3, okay? So lesson 3, so the title of the lesson is, okay, title of the lesson is collective nouns, okay? So nouns, collective. COLLETIVE, okay ma? So nouns, collective. So this is the title of the lesson. So from the beginning itself we are studying nouns, isn't it? So there are many various kinds of noun, okay? So we have completed the countable and uncountable noun. What is meant by countable and uncountable noun, is it? So in this class we are going to learn nouns collective, okay? That means we are going to learn collective noun, okay ma? So are you ready to listen the class? Yes or no? Yes? Okay students. So be happy and be attentive in the class, okay? So you don't want to open the book, just close the book and listen me what I am dictating in the board. Okay ma? So I will give I will give some of the examples. So you listen the board. When I am asking you to open the book, you can open it, okay? Okay, so shall I start the class? Okay, so first we can study the definition of noun, okay ma? Definition of noun. So listen. So definition of collective noun, okay? So what is the definition of collective noun? Listen ma. So a collective noun is A collective noun is a word, okay ma? Is a word that names a group, okay? That names a group. So listen, the definition of collective noun is a collective noun is a word that names a group, okay ma? That names a group. So can you say some of the, that means you know what the definition of noun is? See, noun is a word. That means noun is a name of persons, things, place, isn't it, okay ma? So here collective noun means a noun that names a group. Okay, so group, for example, a group of people. Okay, listen, example, a group of people. Next, a bunch of grapes. So these are all one group, isn't ma? So some people are belonging to this group. Next, so grapes are in the bundle. The grapes are in the bunch. Okay, so these and all we call them as a collective noun. Okay, so students, now you listen. I am giving some words. Okay, I am giving some example. Okay, example. See, the first example is gang. G-A-N-G, gang. Okay, so gang is a collective word. Have you understood? Okay, next. Bunch. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch. Bunch is also a collective word. Next, family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Okay, family. Family is also a collective word. So these three words indicates a group, isn't ma? So how many members are there in the family? So in your family, how many members are there? We will say 2, 3, isn't? Will you say only one member is in my family? Will you say? You won't say like that, isn't? So in our family there will be 4 members or 5 members, isn't? So that, okay, so if we are indicating any group of things, okay ma, if we are indicating any group of things, that is called as collective noun. So have you understood ma? So now I am giving some examples from sentence, okay ma? Now I am giving some examples from sentence. So you just listen the sentence, okay? You want to say here which is the collective noun, okay ma? So listen. The first is a bottle of milk. First I am writing the sentence, okay ma? Just to listen. First I am writing on 3 sentence. Next, a pack of wools. Pack of wools, okay? So this 2 sentence, listen ma. In this 2 sentence, so first sentence, see the first sentence, a bottle of milk. A bottle of milk. So can you say here which is the collective noun here? Which word is indicating the group? Yeah, bottle. Okay ma. So bottle is indicating the group. So bottle is a collective noun. Next, a pack of wools. So in the second sentence, a pack of wools. So which is the collective noun here? Yeah, very good. Pack. Pack is a collective noun. Okay, so have you understood ma? So this is the collective noun. Okay, so listen once again I am repeating. So the definition of collective noun is a collective noun is a word that names a group. Okay ma, once again, a collective noun is a word that names a group. So some of the examples of group: bottle, okay, family, army. So how we will say army? The army of soldiers. We'll say no. So they were one group, isn't ma? Yeah. So the class of students. So a group of students. So for example, a group of students. So in here, which is the collective noun? A group. Okay ma? So though in the sentence, So those words indicates a group. We will call them as a collective noun. Have you understood? Have you understood, ma? Okay, so listen, ma. Here example, I have given some example words from collective: gang, bunch, family. Okay. Next, army. Okay, class. Let's say this class also. Okay, class. So class is also a collective noun. A class of students. So in one class there will be many students. In 20 or 30 students will be there. So how we will say them? That's one group, isn't ma? Yeah. So if you are fourth standard, if you are a fourth C, okay, ma. If you are a fourth standard, so your division is C. So in that division, whether you will be only a student? No, isn't there will be many students. So we want to indicate, okay, if we want to indicate any 4 or 5 members, we want to indicate a group of peoples, okay, ma. So this is a collective noun. If we indicate, okay, a group means, okay, so a collective noun is a word that names a group, okay, ma. So for example, army, okay, family, bunch, bottle, okay, so like that. So there are many examples, okay, ma. So if we see this sentence, okay, ma, a bottle of milk. So here a collective noun is bottle, isn't B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. And the second sentence, a pack of wolves. Here a collective noun is pack, P-A-C-K, pack, okay. So those words indicates a group. We call them as a collective noun. So have you understood, ma? So just to keep this in mind, okay, ma. This is the basic thing, okay, ma. So collective noun is a word that names a group. So you know in the last class we have studied countable noun is a word that we can count, is it? Uncountable means we cannot count. Like that we just remember in the mind, is it, ma? We just keep these tips in the mind. So like that, in this lesson 3, okay, nouns, collective nouns, you want to keep, okay, you want to remember that collective noun is a word that, that indicates a group, okay, ma, that indicates a group. Just you keep this in mind, okay. So have you understood? So now you take the book, ma. Now you take the book, take page number, so take page number 14, 1-4. Have you took? So the title of the lesson is nouns collective, okay, ma. So look at the, okay, in the page number 14, look at the bottom, ma. Okay, so look at the below. Here there is a definition of collective noun. Have you seen? See, in one small column they have given the definition of collective noun. So shall I read once that? Yeah, we have, I have explained in the board also. Once again I am reading, listen, ma. So have you opened the book, ma? Okay, so listen. A collective noun is a word that names a group, okay, ma. So a collective noun is a word that names a group, okay. So you just underline this. This is the definition of collective noun, okay. Underline. Have you underlined? Okay, so in the next page, page number 15. See, okay, ma, look at the page number 15. So, see here there are 3 columns in. Yeah, here listen, learn a few of the most common collective noun, okay. So, here the 3 columns. So, you know what is the definition of noun, isn't it? So, what is the definition of noun, ma? We have learned in the first lesson. What is the definition of noun? Yeah, noun is a word, noun is a naming word, isn't it? So, names of persons, next place, things, animals, these and all we will call it as a noun, isn't it? Okay, so here listen, there are 3 columns, isn't it? Okay, so in the first column there are group of people, okay, so these are not noun, isn't it? Group of people is a noun. So in the second column there is a group of animals, okay, have you seen? Okay, and the third column there is a group of things, have you seen? Okay, so here there are many collective noun, okay, so they have given one small sentence, isn't ma? Okay, so here there are many collective nouns. So I will read just one of the five, that means 5 collective nouns from each boxes. Okay ma? I will read 5 collective nouns, that means 5 sentences from each boxes. So in that sentence you want to say which is the collective noun here. Okay ma? So once again listen, in this 3 column I will read, okay, 5 sentences from each column. So you want to underline, okay, you want to underline the collective noun from that sentence. Okay. So first see the first column, group of people. Have you seen? Okay, shall I read the first sentence? Okay, a band of musician. Okay, band of musician. So here which is the collective noun ma? Yeah, band. Very good. Band is a collective noun. Okay. So musician is a noun. So collective noun means band. So band only indicates a group, isn't ma? So a collective noun is band. Okay ma? Next see the second sentence. A board of directors. Okay, a board of directors. So can you say here which is the noun here? So in this sentence, which is the where is the noun? Yeah, noun is at the end of the sentence. So that means directors. So directors is a noun. So here which is a collective noun? Yeah, board. Board indicates a group of peoples. So board is a collective noun. Okay. So in the third sentence, a bunch of crooks. A bunch of crooks. Can you say which is the collective noun? Very good. Bunch. Okay. Bunch is a collective noun. Next, a choir of singers. A choir of singers. Which is the collective noun here? Yeah, choir. C-H-O-I-R. Choir. Okay. So it is a collective noun. So students, if you have pencil in your hand, you underline the collective nouns. Okay. Then you will find very easy to learn. Okay ma. So if you have pencil in the hand, you underline the collective noun. And see the next sentence, a crew of sailors. A crew of sailors. So can you say where is the collective noun in this sentence? Yeah, crew. Okay, C-R-E-W. Crew is a collective noun. So underline that crew. Okay, so have you underlined? So remaining thing you want to underline which is the collective noun. Okay, so see the next column. Next column is group of animals. Is in group of animals. Okay, so next column group of animals. So see the first sentence, a hall or shoal or school or fish. So which is the collective noun here ma? Yeah, there is a 3 collective nouns. In hall also a collective noun, and the shoal also a collective noun, and the school also a collective noun is in. So you underline the 3 words. Underline the 3 collective noun words. Have you underlined? Okay, next, second one. A swarm of ants or flies. Have you seen ants? Yeah, you may see, isn't it? Okay, so here which is a collective noun in this sentence? Yeah, swarm. S-W-A-R-M. Swarm is a collective noun. So I hope you have picked up the collective noun, is it? You are clear in the collective noun. What is meant by collective noun? And if I gave you any sentence, you can write what is the collective noun in that sentence, isn't ma? Okay, so see the next third sentence. A flock of sheep. A flock of sheep. Which is a collective noun here? Yeah, flock. F-L-O-C-K. Flock. Next sentence. A flight of birds. A flight of birds. So which is the collective noun here? Yeah, very good. Flight. So underline ma. Flight. F-L-I-G-H-T. Flight. Next. A catch of fish. A catch of fish. Which is the collective noun here? Yeah, catch. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. Okay. So you have understood what is meant by collective noun. Isn't ma? Okay. So next see the third column. Group of things. Okay ma. Group of things. The first sentence is a stack of wood. A stack of wood. Yeah. Stack is a collective noun. Okay. Next. A bunch of keys or grapes or banana. Which is the collective noun? Collective noun in the sentence? Yeah, bunch. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch. Okay, ma. Next, third sentence. A fleet of ships. A fleet of ships. Which is the collective noun here? Yeah, fleet. F-L-E-E-T. Fleet. Next, a wad of notes. A wad of notes. Yeah, word. W-A-D. Word. Next, a group of islands. Which is the collective noun here? Yeah, group. G-R-O-U-P. Group. Okay, so you underline this, ma. Have you underlined? Okay, so remaining sentence. Okay, so remaining sentence in 3 columns. You, okay, when you are getting free times, read it and just mark what is the collective noun here. Okay, so by that you will be thorough in this lesson. Okay, ma? Okay, so I hope you have understood what is meant by collective noun. Isn't ma? Yes? Yeah, you may be understood because I have explained it very clearly. Okay. So if you have any doubt regarding this portion, so you can ask you can ask your doubt in the Zoom class. Okay, ma, you can ask your doubt in the Zoom class. So have you started with cashew writing? So in this week, what I have given the homework? Cashew writing, page number 3 is in page number 3. So have you finished? Okay, so those who have finished, very good. Those who didn't finish, complete it soon. Okay, ma? Complete it soon. And study your lesson 2. Okay, so have you finished studying meanings opposite? Yes? So those who didn't finish, study it soon, ma? Okay? So in the next Zoom class, I will ask the question one by one. Okay? So please study, please thorough in lesson 1, lesson 2 from new pathway. Okay, ma? Okay, so today we can end the class, ma. So today's portion, okay, today's topic, if you have any doubt, you can ask in Zoom class. Okay, ma, you can ask your doubt in Zoom class. Okay, ma. So be happy, enjoy the day well, obey your parents and be safe with your family. Okay, so we can meet in the next class. Thank you, students.